Channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to make your Google slide look aesthetic or beautiful. So, guys, I'm going to show you in this video. So, let's start with the video. So, I show you one from starting. So, if I get blank, okay. So here you can see there is a themes option in left right side. You will see, and you can take themes from here. You can also import themes. Okay, and I just take the blank one. If I click on it, okay. So this is my blank slide. So if I delete this one, you have to click on this dot and press the delete button of keyboard, so it will be delete. Okay, so now here you can click, and here you can insert the shapes as you want. Okay, so I just insert the shapes here. Okay, you can also make it dot dot or what do you want. Okay, so just make it like this. Okay, it is done. You can use the website like colors.com. Okay, I'll show you. So this color basically used for colors, and you can find out the colors code, and you can find every pattern here. Okay, so let it open, so I'll show you. So guys, in this website, if you go to the tools and go to the explore pattern, there is a four tools you can use. So you can also pick the color from image also. So here you can see the trading color patterns, and you can pick any colors, so it is easy to find out the best color for your presentations. Okay, so if I click on this, you have to click on it, so your color code will be copy. So if you come to the slide and click your you know object, and you can change color from here. Okay, you have to just replace this code and it will be changed. Okay, so that is how. And there is a many shape you can use. Okay, you can shapes arrow anything. If I click on arrow, so I can make it arrow here. Okay, I can change arrows size, color, anything. Okay, so change it. Okay, I can insert images, text board. Okay, so here I can write anything like channel. I can make it beautiful. I can change color. Okay, from here also you can take color if you want any pattern. Like if you want this one, just click on it, it will be copied. Now select the text, go to the image color, go to the custom. Here you have to replace this code and just click on OK, so it will be changed. Okay, here you will find the more option. Okay, so guys, there is a many option you can use. So for full tutorial you have you can check my another video. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Thank you for